Now next, partition of Bengal. In the last or in the above video we learned in the year 1897 in Pune the epidemic of plague had spread, and Chafekar brothers, they took the revenge of Officer Rand and they killed him, or they shoot him. And we already learned the policy of Britishers to rule over India, that was divide and rule, and for that it was the first step of partition of Bengal. The British decided to use the policy of divide and rule to create a rift. Rift means, we can say, the opinion differences, or to create a differences among the Indians, or we can say to divide the Indians, to create a rift between Hindu and Muslim community, or to create a misunderstandings among Hindu and Muslim community. Then Viceroy Lord Curzon contributed to it. It was the planning of Lord Curzon to create a rift between Hindu and Muslim. Bengal was a very large province of that time. To carry out the work of this province was difficult for administrative point of view, and it was the cunning idea of Lord Curzon, Viceroy Lord Curzon, and he shows the administrative difficulty because it's a large province, and it is difficult for the British government to administer, or to administrative point of view. By putting up this reason, in 1905 he declared the partition of Bengal province. Important for us, in the year 1905 he means Lord Curzon, he declared the partition of Bengal province. With the partition agreement was made such that majority Muslim will remain in the East Bengal and West Bengal for majority of Hindus. And the cunning idea of this Lord Curzon to make a rift between Hindu and Muslim, for this he declared the partition of Bengal in the year 1905, and the Muslim will remain in the East Bengal and the Hindus will remain in the West Bengal. The hidden strategy of the British was, if the Hindu-Muslim were divided due to partition, then the freedom movement will be weakened. Means, and it was the hidden strategy of Indians, of Britishers, or of Lord Curzon. If the Hindus and Muslims will be separated or divided, then the freedom movement will be little weak, or the unity will be broke down. It was the strategy of the British, or the policy of divide and rule. Anti-partition movements, and when the partition was declared, many of the different movements, there was public awakening against partition, not only in Bengal but all over India. But actually this partition was not only in Bengal region, but it was in all over India. And because of that, 16 October, the day of partition, was observed as National Mourning Day. National Mourning Day. Mourning means it's a day when we all are against the decision of British government of the partition. So here, important for us, 16 October is declared as a National Mourning Day. National Mourning Day means they are, on this day they showed their opposition to the partition, or they were against the partition. All over India there were protest meeting to condemn the government decision, to show our revenge, or to show the, we can say, we are not agree with the decision of British government, that is, it is our condemn, or we are against the decision. To show the decision, there were the different protest meetings. Vande Mataram came to be sung everywhere as a symbol of unity. Raksha Bandhan programs were held. Students in large number boycotted government schools and colleges and participated in the movement. The leadership of this movement was in the hands of Surendranath Banerjee, Anand Mohan Bose, Rabindranath Tagore and such other leaders. The extent of Indian National Congress increased due to the anti-partition movement. It became a national movement owing to the severity of dissatisfaction. The Britishers annulled the partition of Bengal. Here 16 October, it's a day of mourning. Then in every part of India, Vande Mataram came to be sung everywhere. And the symbol of unity, Raksha Bandhan program were held. Means it was the movements of anti-partition movement. It was the anti-partition movements which were against the partition of Bengal. Students also came together on the large scale, or they boycotted government schools and colleges, and they also participated in the anti-partition movements. The leadership of this anti-partition movement that were Surendranath Banerjee, Anand Mohan Bose, Rabindranath Tagore and such many other leaders were there which were in the movement of anti-partition. The extent of Indian National Congress that also increased because of these anti-partition movements, and it became very difficult for the Britishers to administrate in the Bengal region. And finally the Britishers, they cancelled the decision of Bengal, partition of Bengal. The Britishers annulled the partition of Bengal.